Good morning, dear learners. I welcome you all to yet another math online session. In today's module, we are going to discuss about writing decimals from place value table. Let's get started. So here we have been given a place value table with some numbers, and let us try to write them in decimal form. So the first number, you can see the places hundreds, tens, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and on. So the first number, it starts from ones place. So ones place, it is 8. Then after ones place, we know that all to the right side all are decimal side. So we insert decimal point. Then tens place digit is first, that is 2. Tens place, then hundredth place digit is 5. So the number we write as 8.25. See the next one, B. See what is B here? 100 place digit is 7. 100 place digit is 7. Tens place is 0. Then ones place is 9. Then tens, hundredths, thousand. These are all decimals part. So we have to, before we go for decimal part, we have to insert decimal point. So the tens place digit for this number is 3. Then hundreds place digit is 8. Then thousands place digit is 0. So we get the number 709.380. So the third number, C. So what is C here? C 100 place is 0. It starts from tens place. So tens place digit is 9. Then ones place digit is 0. After that decimal part. So before that we insert decimal point. Then tens place digit is given as 0. Hundreds place is 4. Then thousands place is 6. So the number obtained is 90.046. Then let's see the fourth number. So what is fourth number? D. So what is that? It starts from tens place. So tens place digit is 8. Ones place it is 3. Then after ones decimal side, so we have to insert. So after the whole number side, we have to immediately insert decimal point. Then only we should write the decimal part. So the decimal part, tens place digit is 3, 100 place digit is 6, and 1000 place digit again 3. So the number obtained is 83.363. So next, we are going to see how to write the numbers on place value table. So let us write numbers, decimal numbers on place value table. So first we have number, say 0.63. So how do we write 0.63 in decimal side? So the whole number side, ones place digit is this, given as 0. So we give ones place digit. Then 10th place digit as 6. And 100 place digit is given as 3. Then thousands place digit, it has 3 places after decimal. So 1000 place comes as the third place. So here third place not mentioned. So we don't need to write anything. Otherwise you may just give a 0 here. So if you give 0, that does not make any changes. So the same answer. So 0 at the ones place, 6 tens, 3 hundreds, and 0 thousands. So let us see another number. The second number is 29 point. So next number is 29.83. So here 2 is a tens place digit. So we give tens place 2, and 8 is at so after in 29 after 2 9. 9 is at the ones place digit. Then in the decimal side, 10th place digit is 8 and 100th place digit is 3. So we inserted 29.83 in the place value table. You can see here. So let us see another number. 634.628. So here the 6 is 100 place digit. So we give 100 place digit 6. 3 is at tens place digit. So we give 3 in the tens column. And 4 is at ones place digit. So we give 4 in the ones column. And here 6 is tens place digits. So we give tens place 6. and 2 is at 100th place digit, so we give 2 in the 100th place digit, 100th place column, and 8 is at 1000th place digit, so we give 8 in the thousands column. So this is how we give 634.628 in the place value table. So let us see one more last number. So the last number 969.27. So this number has 3 places in the whole number part. So starting from 100th place digit 9, 10th place digit 6, and 1st place digit 9. Then after that decimal side, 2 is at 10th place digit, then 7 is at 100th place digit, then no thousands place is not there, so you just leave that box, or you can just give a 0 there. So that's all. This is how we insert decimal number in place value table. Now next let us see how to write decimal number from an expanded form of numbers. So 30. So 30 plus 8 is at the whole number side. So 30 and 8 we add. So we have 38. Then 6 upon 10, 2 upon 100. So we have to insert decimal because those numbers, those are the decimal side. So there are 6 tenths are there. So we give 6 after decimal point. Then 10th place, after that 100th place. So there are 200s are there. So the number is 38.62. See the next number 628 plus 4 upon 100. So in this number 628 is the whole number side. Then 4 upon 100 at the decimal part. For the decimal part we know that immediately after decimal 10th place is the first place. So here in this number 10th place did not mention. Even though it has not mentioned, we have to assume it to be 0. So 10th place 0 we have given, then only we have to write 100th place digit. So the 100th place digit is 4. So if you write this number as after this, immediately after decimal point, if you write it has 4, so it means it is at the 10th place digit, but in the question it has given as 100th place digit. So your answer will go wrong. So don't write like that. So here it is given in the question, it is given 4 as 100th place digit. So you have to express that as 100th place digit. So you have to give, before writing 400, so you have to give 0 at the 10th place. Then you have to write 100th place digit as 4. So the answer is 628.04. See the next number. This number has only decimal side. So what we do here, so we have to write only the decimal side. So decimal side 0. So here he can give 0. How many tenths are there? There are 5 tenths. How many hundreds are there? There are 400. How many thousands are there? There are 900. 9,000. So the number is 0.549. See the last number 69 plus 7 upon 10 plus 3 upon 1000. See 69 is the whole number side. So we write 69 and decimal point. Then 10th place digit is 7. Then after 10, between 10th place digit and 1000th place digit, we have 100th place digit. 100th place digit is not mentioned. However, 100th place digit has not mentioned. We can't leave that place as it is. So we have to fill that place with 0. So we have to give a 0 there. Then thousands, there are 3,000s are there. So this is how we write the number from expanded form. So thank you all of you. Have a great day ahead.